Now see, up in the front, I had to go like that, each little bit, boom, boom, boom. But on the side, because I had enough room, I was able to get it in, you know, far enough. Now I can hang on to that and just hit it on the side, see? Because this is a stiff putty knife. It's my throwaway putty knife. And I did that all the way around this edge and the end, the other end. And now I have to do this back. So I'm going to do this back, and I want you to see. Let's see if I can't get her. Hopefully I have enough room to hit my hammer. And I try not to start right on the corner. I did that on the other side and chipped it just a little from getting it in there, but that's okay. If somebody were to install this again, more than likely they're going to put some mastic caulking underneath it, as well as caulk the whole thing. I'm surprised they didn't caulk this, but because they had black tile, you can't really see the line. Anyways, if it was white tile or something like that, yeah, they would have caulked it, or else you would have seen a nice black line all the way around it. Okay. I've got just enough room. See, there's a spot right there. And I don't think they did a continuous line all the way around, because in a couple spots it felt kind of easy as I went. Just wanting to make sure it's loose before I start jerking on it, right? Oh, there's a spot. Get it in there, and then go some more. So I couldn't really do that out on that front edge very well without hitting the other pieces. And well, it's not taking me as long as I thought it was going to initially. And like I say, you could take the sink out first, but yeah, this is the other option you got. Had I taken the sink out, I could have put a piece of plywood over that opening or something to protect the inside of the cabinet. Let's say. Okay. I think. Yeah. You see? I think the whole thing's loose now. I'm gonna check the front. I gotta be careful not to fall into that plastic. Yeah, see? I'm loose. I'm loose as a goose. And you're gonna have some of your residue debris fall into the cabinet. That's why I'm protecting it, see? Yeah, it's loose. Everything is loose. Boy, that thing's gonna be heavy. That is going to be one heavy mother. And I'm hoping, see, it's just gonna be awkward for me to do it on my own, but I'm gonna make the stab at it. I'm gonna have to get my psyche up and, you know, try not to overdo things. Last thing you want to do is hurt yourself, strain yourself, because who's gonna finish the job if you do that, right? Well, I'm thinking if I can raise the back and tilt it up, then I'll be able to somehow muscle this thing down to the ground. I've got two layers. I've got two layers right there. I can take my a knee pad. I've got another knee pad. I'll grab the other knee pad, set that down, so that when I set this down, I'll try to make sure that I don't do it in such a way to where I gouge the floor or anything like that. Okay, I'm gonna make the stab at it. We'll try that next. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put my craft paper across here, so I got to do that. And out in the garage, I found a piece of old carpet. I've got an old towel and another knee pad. So I'm going to get that stuff all situated and put this craft paper back in and get my psyche up to get this sink out of here. That's going to be heavy. Now, you know what? I'm going to have to be real strategic about this since I'm here by myself, right? Because if I flip it up on the edge, look, I hardly have any edge to work with now, do I? And chances are, if I try to lift out on the edge and if I get it slightly off, the whole thing's going to cattywampus and crash down and could break out the bottom of the cabinet or something. So I'm going to have to think about this for a minute. And I think what I'm going to want to do is clean this out of here on both sides, let's say, and then maybe take my 2x4s and take that and push it in underneath all the way tight, so it's virtually right up next to there. Do you see what I mean? And put one on the other side, screw it down so it doesn't move or something, and figure this out. Okay, I'm going to work on this a little bit. Yeah, I don't want to be just like a bowl in a china shop. Lift that up, have it slide just barely, and then have it fall down underneath inside the cabinet. Even if I take the front and slide the front back, I could get it off the front and then it could hit, no backing on the sides, and the whole thing could come crashing down in there, okay? Before you start doing things, especially heavy things, think about it, especially if you're working on your own. Now, if I had somebody here helping me, we'd grab it on both ends, lift it up, but I'm here by myself, you know? So I've got to work strategically.